Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily check if the music added to your videos violated copyright or not. So here, I've already opened my edit, and first I'm going to add the music that I want. So I'm going to go to audio, sound, and I'm going to add the music from my music library. Okay, I'm going to find first. Okay, I'm going to add this one, but I'm not going to let you listen to the music because it might be copyrighted. So I'm going to click on plus. Here I'm going to first trim the audio to match with the video and to check whether or not the music is copyrighted. You just need to okay, so you just need to click on the audio and here click on the copyright option. Okay, so here, before you share a non-commercial video to TikTok, you can check whether all the sound used in it will have copyright issues. So click on the check button, and now CapCut will checking the copyright issue for you. So they will let you know whether or not the music you use is copyrighted or not. Okay, so as you guys can see here, my music turns out violated the copyright. So CapCut will mute the music on my video if I upload it to TikTok. But there is an options. If you want, you can change the sound and find the music that doesn't have the copyright issue. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.